of even thinking about it. Good morning here. Ikaw na ba there? It feels normal, natural. But sometimes I wonder, where did that habit begin? Back in the American period, English became the language in schools. Teachers arrived, bringing books, movies, songs, and new ideas about entertainment and education. My lola used to say that cinema houses became popular because Filipinos were fascinated by Hollywood films, jazz music, basketball, and comic books. Filipinos absorbed them quickly. And today, basketball courts are still filled in every barangay. Fast food, pop music, and entertainment, talent shows, even the way we celebrate celebrities, it all echoes in that era. And sometimes I feel proud because Filipinos adapted so well and made foreign influences our own. We mix them with local humors and family values and creativity. But